literature lovers, Alicia Basham here, and we have about 4 unboxings today. Let's get started with our Wizarding Trunk. Alright. Alright, right on top I see a pin, and if you can't guess, it's Gilderoy Lockhart. I love that. That's so funny. Alright. Oh wait, I see a couple of things that are in a plastic bag, so that might go to something. We'll wait and see. And then I see Enchant Mend bandages, healer approved. Those are awesome. Let's see, are there band-aids? There are band-aids. Wizard band-aids. That's awesome. Definitely going to be keeping that in my purse. Alright, next, Wentworth Bank. Ooh, do we have wizard money? We do. I'm not going to take them out of the bags, but these are amazing. Look at the detail. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be collecting these. And it looks like a hippogriff and a nice leg. And this one looks like the three-headed dog. And it's got like the same kind of shape stuff in the back. Ooh, and then this one's got a dragon. And then look at that's awesome. So we have our wizard money. I'm gonna keep that in the coin purse. I think that's awesome. I think it's like 7 nuts or something equals a sickle, and like 11 sickles equals like a the gold one. I can't remember what those ones are called, but yeah, that's cool. Alright, so we have a book cover, and it's Secret Passages and Magical Tunnels. Look at the marbling. I've done marbling and stuff before on paper, and it's so fun. I love this. Look at the gold foiling too. The gold foiling is just amazing. Set that to the side. Alright. Let's see. What is in this white box? Oh. Herbology supplies. Oh. It's a water bottle. Look, I love that. That's so pretty. The inside. Love that. That is a nice water bottle. Alright. Next we have Brew It Yourself Potion Kit. Oh, is this what this is? I think this is the ingredients. And then this is like the bottle and stuff, and you can mix your own potion. Okay, only the purest of potions, Death Cap Drought. Okay, yep, so here's the directions and stuff. I'll take the bottle out and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not going to make it yet. Oh, I dropped something. But, oh my gosh, look at that. This is going to be so nice. And take it out. Not really sure what fell, but I will have to find that in a second. Okay, so, oh, I think it was the stopper. Yep, it was the stopper that fell. So I will have to find the stopper because you're not going to want to like leave this cap on it. But yeah, until I find the stopper, yeah. And then we will make our potion bottle and stuff later. But that's cool. It came with the wax to melt on it. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. And then it came with the potion ingredients. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, I'm excited. I get to make my own potion. I love it. Okay, so we'll set those off to the side. Alright, next we have a big box. I wonder what it is. It makes me think of it. No, they did not. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a creamer. Oh my gosh, my husband's gonna love using this for his coffee. Oh, I love that. That is so beautiful. Oh, I love that. So, can't wait to use that. My husband's gonna love that. Yes. Alright, next we have our magical key. This is the funnest key ever. Look at the rainbows. Oh, that is so beautiful. That's so gorgeous. I love that. Ugh. Wizard trunk, you never disappoint. Alright. What is this? The Vile Incantum, Poisons and Cursed Curiosities. Oh, it's like a thing. Okay. Interesting. That's pretty nice. Look at the carving. It's wood. Isn't that awesome? Alright, and then we'll put that back in its spot. Ooh, and then what is this? Unforgivable ink, where shadows are conjured and ink is unleashed. Oh, little tattoos. Okay. Let's see what the tattoos are. that one's like saying. This one I might save and have like an actual tattoo artist do, because that is amazing and I think I need to have that done. It would match my other tattoos very good. Oh, I love that. All right, and then we have our nice paperwork. Shop key. So that's just telling us what we have. Oh, the preparation of the Death Cap drought. So this is more instructions. That's very interesting. I love that. Ooh. And then our art piece, which is also a postcard. How beautiful is that? I love that. Ooh, and we have another creature page, which is the red cap. And Rouge Shadow. Is you getting as a shape-shifting? Oh. It's not a werewolf, but it's similar. That's very interesting. I love that, and that's going to go in my binder, my other one. Yes, I have a binder. Ooh, look at this, a map. And then it shows everything we got. I'm going to definitely keep that artwork. Definitely. Alright, that was our Wizarding Trunk box, and then I will be back with some bookish boxes and an Owl Crate box, and maybe my wee box. Some things got damaged in there, so I'm waiting on them to send me some replacements, but I might show you it. We will see. I will get right back to you. Keep reading.